The check engine light came on, so I started diagnosing the issue. I connected a scan tool and found two trouble codes. P0455, Evaporative Emission System Leak Detected, Large Leak, and P0456, Evaporative Emission System Leak Detected, Very Small Leak. These codes pointed to a leak somewhere in the EVAP system which prevents fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere. I began with a visual inspection of the EVAP system, checking for obvious issues such as cracked hoses or loose connections, but I didn't find any visible problems. To pinpoint the leak, I used the scan tool to command the EVAP system to seal itself and connected a smoke machine to the EVAP system service port. By inducing smoke into the system, I could visually detect where the leak was occurring. During the inspection, I saw smoke leaking from the gas cap, indicating it wasn't sealing properly. To confirm, I removed the gas cap and tested it with a gas cap tester, which applies pressure to ensure the cap can hold the required seal. The cap failed the test, as it could not retain the applied pressure. This confirmed the gas cap was the source of the EVAP leak. I replaced the gas cap with a new one, cleared the trouble codes, and performed a road test to verify the repair. After the test, the check engine light remained off, and no new fault codes appeared. The vehicle was operating properly, and the EVAP system was sealed as intended. The EVAP system relies on a tight seal to function correctly, and a faulty gas cap can disrupt the system, leading to emissions issues and triggering warning codes. This repair resolved the problem, ensuring the vehicle complied with emission standards and operated efficiently.